Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some jerk wings with pasta. So this is my wings. I already washed it with lime and with vinegar. So this is 2 pack of wings, guys. And I'm not gonna cut my wings. I'm just gonna cook it just like so, okay? So these are all my seasoning. So here I have some garlic powder, some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, some onion powder, some black pepper, some jerk seasoning, and some salt. And this is 1 spoonful. Only thing is 1 teaspoonful is the black pepper and the salt. 1 teaspoonful. So first, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. Just pour it all over your wings. So some of my seasoning that left back, guys, I'm not gonna use everything. I'm gonna leave it back for my sauce, okay? Then I'm just gonna take my hands and just blend it all together. Just make sure all the seasoning is all on your chicken wings. Just lift it up and just rub it all in. So after you finish seasoning your chicken wings, this is what it's gonna look like. So now I'm gonna make my wet ingredients, okay? So stay tuned. So this is my ingredients for my jerk chicken wings. I don't normally do it this way, guys. Normally I get the jerk chicken seasoning from the bottle and I just pour it all over my chicken, and it still tastes good. It still tastes amazing. So I just want to do it this way to show you guys, you know. So here I have some spring onions. So this is the amount that I'm using. I also have one big onion, some fresh thyme, ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using one because I want it to be really spicy. And I'm also using some garlic. So that's 4 cloves of garlic. Some pimento seed, that's 1 teaspoonful. Vinegar, that's 2.5 spoonful of vinegar. Some soya sauce, that's 2 spoonful of soya sauce. And some sugar, just to blend out the taste. So now I'm about to blend up all of my wet ingredients. So I add my spring onions, and I also add my ginger and my onions. So now I'm gonna add my thyme, just push it all down, my garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm gonna add my vinegar, soya sauce, sugar, pimento seed, and I'm gonna add some water just to loosen it up. Not a lot, guys. You don't need a lot of water. So guys, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna also add some vegetable oil. I'm gonna add at least 3 spoonfuls of vegetable oil. So you want to blend it till it became real smooth, okay? So I'm gonna turn on my blender now. So my jerk marinade is finished, and this is what it look like. Just make sure it is nice and smooth. So this is exactly how you want it to be. And you can always add a bit more soy sauce or even browning if you want it to be a bit darker, okay? So now I'm gonna pour all my marinade on my wings. Guys, it is so strong. My eyes is burning me. The pepper, oh my days, it is so strong, I'm telling you. You just pour it all over your wings like so. You can always use a gloves to do this part, guys, but I'm just gonna take my hands and just blend it all together. That is so strong. And you can just leave it even overnight to marinate for a good result. So as soon as you finish, make sure you wash your hands as soon as possible, okay? So I'm gonna marinate my jerk wings for at least 1 hour. You can always marinate it longer, because the longer you marinate it, the best result you get from it. So I'm just gonna take a cling fling and put it over it and put it in my fridge, okay? So see you back. So this is what my wings look like after I finish marinating it. As you can see, the wet ingredients is stick on the wings, and this is exactly how you want it. So here I have a tray, guys, and to my tray I had some foil paper, and I also spray some coconut oil all over my tray so my chicken wings doesn't stick. So make sure you spread out all your chicken wings all over your tray. So I'm just adding some of my wet ingredients and I'm putting it all over my chicken wings. Guys, do not use all of your wet ingredients. And I'm also adding at least 4 spoonfuls of vegetable oil all over my chicken wings, and I'm gonna put it in my oven for 35 minutes and 150 degrees. So I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and this is what it look like. Guys, it smells so good and it look absolutely delicious. So that liquid that's left, you're gonna make sure you pour it all over your chicken wings, because you want your chicken wings to be nice and moist. Yeah. So guys, you're gonna need a container, and to your container you're gonna add almost all of that liquid, because that liquid, we're gonna make our sauce with that liquid. And after you pour the liquid in your container, you're gonna put back your chicken wings in the oven for 25 minutes and 150 degrees. Okay, so stay tuned. So now I'm making my sauce. So here I have a pot on the stove. My pot is hot, and to my pot, as you can see, I'm adding that liquid that left back from my jerk chicken wings, and I'm also gonna add my remaining season from when I was seasoning my jerk chicken at the beginning of the video. And I'm also gonna add some ketchup. That's around 3 spoonfuls of ketchup, okay? So I'm adding 2 spoonfuls of soya sauce. Make sure when you add your soya sauce, you give your pot a good stir because you want all that liquid to be nice and smooth. Oh yeah. I'm adding 1 spoonful of sugar just to blend the taste out, and I'm also adding some water, quarter cup of water. You don't need a lot of water, so make sure you don't add a lot of water. So guys, because I want my sauce to be nice and spicy, I'm adding at least 1 spoonful of jerk season from the bottle. It is totally optional. And I'm gonna leave it to simmer down guys for at least 10 minutes. You can always taste to your liking, okay? So stay tuned. So my sauce is finally finished and this is what it look like. As you can see, it is not too thick guys because I don't want my sauce to be too thick. I want my sauce to be a bit runny. Yeah. So that's perfect for me. So I just removed my jerk chicken wings from the oven and that's what it look like. And as you can see, I'm turning my wings because that part of the wings is too white and I don't like my wings so white. So I'm gonna put it back in my oven so it have a nice chalk color to it, okay? So guys, as you can see, after I turn my wings, that's what my wings look like. And my remaining wet ingredients that I have, I'm taking it and I'm putting it all over my wings because I'm going to put it back in my oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes and 150 degrees. So stay tuned. So while my wings is in the oven, I'm gonna make my pasta. So here I have a pot on the stove and to my pot I add some boiling water and I also add some spring onion, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt and some all-purpose season and some vegetable oil. So now I'm adding my pasta. Just make sure your pot is hot and I'm gonna allow my pasta to cook for at least 15 minutes. So my pasta is all finished and that's what it look like. Make sure guys you remove the excess liquid from your pasta because you don't want your pasta to be soggy, okay? So after you remove your excess liquid from your pasta, you're going to take some of your sauce and pour it all over your pasta because you want your pasta to have extra flavor. And then you're going to give it a stir. Make sure everything is all blend together, okay? So I'm adding some parsley to my pasta because I want it to have a nice color. This is totally optional, but I'm adding at least 1 spoonful of butter to my pasta because I want it to be nice and moist. And after you add your butter, you're going to give it a good stir till it all melt. So my pasta is all finished seasoning and that's what it look like. Guys, I'm telling you, it's looking absolutely delicious, nice and moist and creamy. Mm-mm-mm. So finally, this is the moment we all been waiting for. My jerk wings is finally finished and guys, just look at that. As you can see, it have this nice charred color to it. It is nice and juicy. I'm telling you, you're looking so good. I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate with the pasta. Okay, so stay tuned. So my jerk chicken and my pasta is all plated up and it look absolutely delicious, and I'm putting my sauce all over my jerk wings. Guys, please share this video, like, comment, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.